Here we are in section 2-2 with exercises numbers 38 through 41. It says fill out the table. So we're transferring mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let's go ahead and take this one out here. 5 2/3. We're going to do this the long way, and then we'll do it the shortcut so you can see both of them. This is 5 plus 2/3. 5/1. We need a common denominator. You can see that 1 and 3 both go into 3, so we times by 3, and end up with 15/3 plus 2/3 equals 17/3. 17/3 is the improper fraction. And the shortcut is 3 times 5 plus 2. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17 thirds. So 3 times 5 plus 2 all over 3. Okay, let's do the next one. Now we're going to take out 7 1/5 and then apply the negative afterwards. So 7 1/5 is 7 plus 1/5. So this is 7/1. And so we look at a common denominator and we have, oh look, that's 5. So times by 5, and we end up with 35/5 plus 1/5 equals 36/5. And the shortcut, which most of you will do, 36/5. Oh, that's a negative number. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 is 36/5. 5 times 7 plus 1, that little circle of life thing there, so it's a negative 36/5. Let's fix that negative so it looks a little bit better there. Negative 36/5, there we go. And draw those arrows back in there. Okay, good. Next one. We have 43/9, and we're supposed to turn that back into 40. So we have 43/9. So we're seeing how many times 9 will come out of these 43, so it'll go back in there. And if you remember this long division thing, 9 goes into 43. How many times 9 goes into 43? 5 times we put it at 45. So it's 4 times. 4 times 9 is 36. That means there are 7 left over. So in slow motion, that means this is 9 ninths, 9 ninths, 9 ninths, 9 ninths. That's 36 ninths and 7 ninths. And this guy right here, that is 4. So it gets us to 4 7 ninths. And the next one, last one here, we have 51/7. So again, it's going to be negative 51/7. So 51/7. With long division, we can go 7 goes into 51. How many times 7 goes into 51? Let's see, 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. So it goes in 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. Subtract, and we get 2 left over. And so that would be 7 2/7. And this is how it'll work. Again, slow motion here, that really we took out 49/7 and 2/7. We kind of broke them up like that because this guy comes out to be exactly a nice whole number of 7. We took out 7/7, 7/7, 7/7, 7 times, that's 49 of them, plus the 2/7 right there. Negative 7 2/7.